She inspected the carpet for small items. She saw a paperclip and a rubber band. She picked them up. She put them into a little box on the kitchen counter. She plugged in the vacuum cleaner. She turned on the switch. The cat ran out of the room. She vacuumed the living room. She went back and forth. She was finished 10 minutes later. The green carpet looked clean. She pulled the vacuum cleaner plug out of the wall socket. She put the vacuum cleaner back into the hall closet. The cat returned to the living room. It climbed onto the back of the sofa. It looked out the window at the birds.